Meaning of hothead.
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 Hothead. The term hothead refers to an impulsive or hot-tempered person who tends to act without thinking things through. Such a person may become easily angered or frustrated and may act in ways that are rash or irrational. Hotheads may be quick to jump to conclusions or make decisions based on emotion rather than logic and reason. This can lead to conflicts with others and may cause problems in personal or professional relationships. Overall, being labeled a hothead is typically seen as a negative trait that can be detrimental to one's success and well-being.